Alright, so we're going to be modifying a display from the control system data. Make sure you have your emulator on in order for this to be done. So we're going to open up the FactoryTalk. After you open up FactoryTalk, you're going to go on to your communication setup. Open. Take some time, but it will open. And then once it opens, you're going to find your emulator. Okay. And then once you found the emulator, you are going to add the things you want to be copied. We're going to name it Cookie Demo. Once it's been added, you're going to go into the backplane. To the emulator, and then you're going to hit apply. It's going to give you a prompt box. You're going to say yes, save the changes, and then you're going to go on the top right hand corner, copy from design to runtime. Again, you're going to be prompted with do you want to continue? Yes. Gotta give it a second. It does load, and then once it's loaded, we're going to verify that it actually did what it said it was going to do, such as copy to design from runtime. So you go on verify, and then the note tells you that these things have been copied. So close, you're going to click OK. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a button to a display. The way we're going to do that, we're going to go to main or whatever screen that you want to add that button to. I'm going to open it. And then we're going to add the momentary push button and place it wherever you want it to be placed. And then we're going to modify it. And then we're going to modify it. I'm going to make it go with my theme. So basically that's going to say none. And then I'm going to go with transparent. And then we're going to adjust the state. We're going to go with 90. 90, 195. That's a location and the position for it. And then 76. Alright, we're going to hit apply. And then you're going to click OK. And then you notice there's box. That's where it came. So now we're going to add animation to it. The way you add animation is by clicking on it and then going on states. After you've gone to the states tab, you're going to go on state 0, and then you're going to select the image. Clicking on that, and then we're going to find the one that we want. The one that I want is we want the green push up button, and then you're going to press OK, and you're going to make sure that the image is scaled. You're going to make sure that the back image is blue because I want it to go with my theme, and then you do the same for state 1, except you want it red, meaning that it's off, but in my case I'm going to have it green again. Except the only difference is that it's going to be pushed down, so it has a image showing the buttons pushed on and off, being in and out. Make sure the image is scaled. Everything looks good. You're going to hit apply, and then you have to configure the connections, so basically where it's going to be executing what tag. And the way you do that, you go on connections, and then you have to find the tag. In our case, our tag is in right click, refresh all folders. After refreshing all folders, I'm going to open the cookie and then online. After going online, I'm going to go on the program oven. Go on program oven, this guy. After going in there, I'm going to find my specific one, which is my manual control. M control. You can expand it to make it bigger. So M control. Okay, that's one. As you notice, that's been replaced there. And specifically, you want to add what bit it is. For my case, it's going to be 0.29. So you can double click and 0.29. Basically, you need to understand the value to write a connection. That's where our connection is. I'm going to press OK. Save. So after configuring the start oven button, we're going to be determining where the tag is used in an application. And the way you do that is if you go up to the application cross-reference, it will tell you where it's used. Once that's open, you can open what specifically tag you're looking for. We specifically did it for manual control. So M control, you're going to press OK. And then you're going to press search. And everywhere that's been utilized is going to show you. So we've only configured it one place, so it's showing you that it's been configured here. So now, congratulations, you can exit out of it and you have configured communication. Basically went over how to configure communication, added a Momentary push button, which is this one, added a tag to that button, and search for application indication. And you can press play to test it out. You see, it's Momentary push. There you go.